Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. In this video, I will be showing you how to make this delicious spinach with egusi sauce, suitable for any swallow of your choice. So stay tuned. For this recipe, I will be using palm oil mixed with some vegetable oil to prevent clotting. I will allow my oil to heat for 2 minutes, then I will add some sliced onions and tomatoes. Allow it to cook for a little while, after which I will add my grinded egusi. I will cook my egusi under low heat and stir frequently to prevent burning. Then add Maggi and salt to taste. I will also add my smoked pork ribs and dry fish. You can use any meat or fish of your choice. Then mix. Add garlic, ginger and onion. For those who love pepper, you can also add some pepper. Mix and cover for 3 to 5 minutes to cook under low heat to prevent burning. I will further add my spinach, which is frozen spinach. Then I will give it a good mix to incorporate all the ingredients. Now it's time to add some grinded crayfish. Guys, the aroma is given. If you are watching this video up to this point, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more recipes. Thank you. I will allow it to cook again for another 2 minutes. Then my spinach with egusi will be ready. Remove from heat and serve. This spinach is suitable for any swallow of your choice. For the sake of this video, I used semol. Gari, pounded yams or water fufu is also okay. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section if you will try this recipe. If you will, then have a fun cooking day. That was it for this video. Thanks for watching. I see you on my next video. Bye. Smack it like a appetite. Bon appetit.